Welcome back to my channel. In this 1-minute tutorial, you will quickly learn how to change the color of lipstick and nails in Photoshop. First, select the Quick Selection tool and select the nails and lips. Once selected, press Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste. The selected area will be separated in a new layer. Now open the Selective Color option from bottom panel. As the model has red lipstick, so you will not change the color section. Before changing the color, turn on this option to only make this effect on the separate layer. Now by sliding you can easily change the red lipstick color. You can see the changes. Now for more realistic effect, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Set it as you want. Hit the like button if you like the tutorial. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. See you next time.